helicopter balloon with using simple paper cup and balloon. First, you draw line, not fully, only halfway. You should leave gap when drawing. It should only come until this. It should not come here. Cut the marked lines and also cut this part. After cutting it will be like this. Then later fold it to make it flat and then make it like this, like a flower shape. Now you need to make a hole here. This is the hole where the balloon will be. Now with this hole, blow up this balloon and try to fit it inside and pull it downward from here. And then hold the balloon and launch it and open it, and then this will fly. Now we have a balloon and we have this. So we're going to insert it inside. Okay, look like this. Now we're going to